Hi, JD with GREE. We're here with another quick tip. People call in and say, hey, this controller here is not set up for communication. We're getting an E6 code. Like I say, it should come up set up for RS485, but wouldn't hurt and new install just to go ahead and check. So I'm going to show you how to check and move it. So for an RS485 application, when we're trying to use communication, ideally you need the indoor air handler right here. You need the outdoor FXU unit, and then you also need the RS485 controller. Then we can set up for communication as long as we're running H1 and H2. Otherwise, if you're using a dual fuel application, you can use the RS485 controller. We have to use that as 24 volts because we're using the 24 volts from the furnace. Or if you're just using the outdoor unit or indoor unit and not hooking up H1 and H2, then we have to just use 24 volts. So you need to be in the off mode to make any changes in the installer settings. Right now, if you can see, we're in heat mode. So we hit this button right here, puts it in the off mode. So you're going to hit menu. We're going to scroll down to installer setup, hit set. So you can see right now, scroll down, what's highlighted, we're set for RS485. So say we need to change it to 24 volts. I'm going to hit set, starts flashing. Then you use the up or down arrows to make it 24 volts. 24 volts is flashing now. We hit set, it becomes solid. So now this controller is set up for 24 volts. So it could be set up for dual fuel, or if we're not using H1 and H2, if you don't have a matching outdoor unit or matching indoor unit, then we can use this controller as 24 volts. It went off that screen here, so let's go ahead and we're going to check again. Menu, installer setup. It's set for 24 volts. Just confirming. Set for 24 volts. And all you do is hit menu, go back to the main screen, or go back to installer menu, and then back to the main screen, and then you can change to whatever mode you prefer. So again, real simple to do, just a few steps. Wouldn't hurt when you power the system up, just to go ahead and get in there and see if you're set up for 24 volts or RS485, whatever scenario you're trying to use. Again, with GREE, we're by your side.